What up, YouTube? It's your boy Devon Duncan with another one. You know what I'm saying? We coming. We finally making moves. Man, but before we start this video, I want you to like, comment, share, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And also, I ain't been saying this, but hit that notification bell so every time my video hit, you know what I'm saying, it's gonna give you a ringer and you gonna come see the bad boy first. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, man, as you see, I got the wheels in the back. I'm loaded up in the Challenger, man. We finna start this day off. I had to skip paint. Right now, my car's in primer. I skipped paint. I just brought it to the shop, get everything. I'm gonna do frame notch and some more, man. We'll talk about it a little later. Get all my parts installed, cause I ain't gonna be able to hit the paint booth till next Friday. So, hey, it is what it is, hey man. I gotta make this work. So, I'll see you in a little bit. We got everything loaded up, man. This is coupe problems, man. When you got a coupe, I got one in here. One in the front seat. And two in the back. The seats is let all the way up, so I ain't got no room. But hey, man. You gotta do what you gotta do. I'm about to hit the road. Got the car primer down, all the body work done. Remember where it was bent up at? Clean. Get coilovers put in. My rear end. You see that QP? Quick performance. It's rusting up. I might have to paint this. That's ugly. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. Now I can tell y'all what I got. It's the 3-inch Magna Flows. Ain't too bad. My trans pan sits so low, I've been hitting it. We're gonna have to do something about that. Got a little oil leak from my plug. I don't know what that is. But yeah, man, my phone went dead. My bad. This is from Down Under. These mugs look good. I want to know how they gonna perform though. Got that fuel line, Corvette regulator, the intake, the fuel pump is in the tank. I know it's looking a little ghetto right now, but I got tail lights taped in there. But this is the roll pan I ordered. You see they got that bad boy molded in there. No lines. Usually everybody have lines. Mine ain't got no lines. It's molded. But they gotta go back in there. You see the little hole to the tail light, and the tab is not long enough, so they gonna fiberglass some more of that tab so it have something to grab on to. That's why they taped in there right now. On both sides. You can see. That's the hole. And that's the tab. It needs to be extended. But it looks good though. It looks good. My tag is taped too, but it's alright. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. I'm about to get that frame notch. You know what I'm saying? I was gonna take it to the other shop to get my coilovers and stuff put on, but I'm like, man, I ain't finna be just taking my car to different shop to shop. Might as well get it done all at once. I wanna change this out. Nova. That bad boy clean. That bad boy clean, boy. Perfect. Small running too. Running hard. I got my wheels up here. We getting to it, man. Get to it. Yeah, I wanted to sit like this. This, I wanted to be like here.
You like to roll the fender.
I asked.
You might want to do that before you paint it.
I asked Marcus, you gotta roll it.
Fair up front.
Is it gonna go on at all?
Yeah, a lot longer studs in the front. You got the front trim, yeah.
Shit, I knew that from you, goddamn. Nah. She almost falling off. You and Reeves actually fell off. Damn, it's not even enough to catch a lug. I don't know if y'all can see. I definitely need new studs. And I gotta cut a little bit. Like right there. I don't know, we'll see. Really don't want to do no cutting, so I might downsize my tire because this is 30. I didn't know. I wasn't paying attention. It should be a 25. The back is 25. See how much of a difference it is, how thin it is. Yeah, I might hit my rim guy up and tell him to swap me out some 25s because it's 30. A little too thick. Come on. That motherfucker looks crazy though. I like it. I like it a lot. We just test fitting though, ain't nothing heavy. I'm gonna have to roll these fenders too. I was told I wouldn't have to, but I'm gonna have to if I wanted to sit how I want it. Go ahead and roll them before they get painted. Yes, sir. Got them coilovers mounted on up in there. We still gotta shade this part because that's not matching up, so we gotta shave it a little bit so I can put that bow on through, and it'll be finished on both sides. It's hitting like, well, this one ain't hitting. I don't know what he did with that. Oh. Colors. So man, yeah man. As you see, I still got a little bit more stuff to go ahead and finish up. I ain't get to show y'all. He put the AC parts in. Somebody asked me about that, but basically I just replaced all the old stuff and put in the new stuff, put in new parts for the AC, and we just gonna run off the stock AC until, you know, I feel it's time to go ahead and get that Vantage. But other than that, man, I'm just getting to it. Really, just getting to it, trying to get this car done, man. That's my goal, get this car done, man. So hopefully my painters show up and we get this done, knocked out. And hey, man, on to the next. On to the next. Might be another project in the future. I don't know. We just gonna enjoy this one when it's done. But man, y'all make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that share button. Hit that share button, man. I'm putting emphasis on this because I want y'all to hit that share button. Share this on your Facebook, man. And You know what I'm saying? Comment. You know what I'm saying? Holla at me. Add me on Facebook, same name. Add me on Instagram, same name, Delvon Duncan. Do all that, man. I'm gonna respond to everything. I ain't one of them Hollywood dudes. You know what I'm saying? I'm a regular dude. But man, I'll see y'all next time. But until next time, peace.